Все, вниз спустила, все. Да, вот, подними.
Hello everyone, great to see you again in this video. Thank you for taking your valuable time to watch these moments of Mother Nature's fury. Let's get started. Standing from this angle, this video gives us chills. It's unimaginable how terrified the people in the small boats ahead must be feeling.
We better get out of here.
Witnessing the sight of a slow yet unstoppable lava flow, we truly grasp the terrifying power of the earth. A moment both majestic and terrifying, where nature asserts its ultimate power. The owner is surely experiencing a devastating shock. Years of hard work and savings swept away by the raging flood in an instant. Just looking at the video, you can see the floodwaters rushing over the bridge with immense force, carrying debris like trees and trash, and completely destroying the once solid structure. The floodwaters surge with terrifying power, their murky currents mixed with earth and debris, forming a raging torrent. Witnessing this scene, no one can help but shudder at the wrath of Mother Nature, an untamed force that nothing can withstand. A sudden landslide occurred right beside the road. A massive mass of soil and rocks collapsed, creating a scene that was both overwhelming and terrifying. Two women on a motorbike, perhaps narrowly escaping disaster by mere seconds, their hearts surely pounding with fear.
Oh my God.
Oh, guys, we're gonna get some. Whoa! Back
Back it up, back it up. Back.
Oh no, the volcano has erupted. That massive cloud of ash and smoke rising into the sky is both terrifying and mesmerizing. Volcanic smoke does not directly cause ozone depletion, but it can affect it indirectly by releasing SO2 into the atmosphere. Do you think so? The video shows a massive tornado swirling under a dark, ominous sky with terrifying power. The power poles tremble along the roadside like silent witnesses to nature's fury. The air crackles with tension as the monstrous tornado takes shape. Trees bend and snap like twigs. Debris swirls violently in the air, and the sky darkens with an ominous fury.
Cold hands.
In the video capturing the scene, the three-story building with a solid structure slid down along with the collapsing soil and rocks beneath, creating a terrifying spectacle.
Ё-моё, это страшно. Всё, канал, блядь. Ёб твою мать.
Many car owners were shocked when witnessing the scene. A massive retaining wall had collapsed, bringing down soil and rocks that crushed the row of parked cars below. Will insurance cover this, or is it just nature's fault? Standing from above, my heart pounded. The rushing floodwaters poured in, turning the once busy road into a murky, raging river, carrying mud, debris, and anything in its path. A violent flash flood swept through the area, turning a small stream into a raging river. Some residents, wearing raincoats and holding umbrellas, stood at a distance, anxiously watching the terrifying scene unfold. The residents stood along the riverbank, helplessly watching as the floodwaters washed away chunks of land. The road that residents used to travel on daily is now nothing but a massive crater, almost entirely erased by floodwaters and landslides. The once solid asphalt has cracked and collapsed into the murky waters below, creating a horrifying scene. The floodwaters rushed violently, churning with mud, as powerful waves slammed against the bridge. In an instant, the bridge's foundation was completely submerged beneath the murky water, leaving only the iron railing struggling to withstand the force. The roaring water echoed like a terrifying warning. From the higher buildings, despair engulfed the residents as they stood helpless, watching in panic as their belongings were swept away by the raging floodwaters, unable to do anything. The severe impact made rescue efforts extremely difficult due to the swift and powerful current. This is one of the rare and terrifying moments when almost an entire mountain is collapsing before our eyes. This is not just an unusual natural phenomenon, but also a grim reminder of the dangers of landslides.
गाड़ी भी ले लो पीछे ओपन
The entire cliff above the parking lot suddenly collapsed, sending massive rocks and soil crashing down. Some people quickly pulled out their phones to capture this rare moment, but everyone knew that standing too close could put them in danger. The sky turned ominously dark, with thick, swirling black clouds signaling an impending fury of nature. This is a moment both majestic and haunting. One thing is certain, anything caught in the eye of the storm will hardly remain intact. A haunting scene unfolds on the highway. A violent tornado is tearing through, hurling debris in all directions, while flashes of light flicker continuously, possibly from destroyed power stations or metallic objects colliding with force. The roaring water, combined with the thunderous sound of crashing waves, creates a haunting symphony of nature. The bridge stands tall, but how much longer can it withstand this destructive force?
तो क्या खतरनाक आ रहा है ये।
अरे जल्दी आ जल्दी आ जल्दी आ बड़ा बड़ा
ओ भाई साहब गए ऊपर तो
In an instant, a massive lightning bolt tore through the dark, stormy sky, striking directly onto the rooftop of the high-rise building.
भाई शिक्षे सारे गए खत्म 07 प्लेट नंबर निकाल लो इसकी कौन सी है देखो गाड़ी जरा अभी 2 गाड़ियां और फंसी है वो वहां फंसी है वो सीधी होगी आ रही हो वो सीधी।
The storm has truly arrived, bringing its destructive power over the entire city. The wind howls relentlessly, slamming into everything in its path. The scene turns chaotic as dust, leaves, and debris swirl wildly in all directions. The once sturdy bridge has now been swept away by the raging floodwaters, snapping in half in an instant. No one can believe that the bridge they crossed every day is now nothing but fragments drifting away with the current. The scene before us is nothing short of a nightmare. An entire parking lot appears to have been swept away by the raging floodwaters. It seems that these houses have suffered severe landslides, and one possible cause could be excessive sand mining in the surrounding area. When boats extract too much sand from the riverbed or areas near the foundation. The hailstone struck with immense force. Cracks spread like a web across the windshield, creating a haunting pattern of fractures. This serves as a stark reminder that nature can change everything in just a matter of minutes. Buckle up and witness the breathtaking spectacle of nature. A massive amount of soil and rocks collapsed onto the road below, creating a thick cloud of dust that enveloped the entire area. The dense dust rose high into the air, obscuring visibility and making the atmosphere suffocating. While enjoying an exhilarating day of mountain climbing, the sky suddenly turned dark, with thick clouds rolling in, signaling an impending snowstorm. Instead of leaving the stranded person to struggle alone, those around came together to help. In the next image, a chain of vehicles is connected by tow ropes, working in unison to rescue the trapped car.
Holy sh**.
The devastating storm sweeps through the city, and everything seems to be engulfed in nature's fury. People can do nothing but seek shelter and pray for the storm to pass soon.
Oh man.
जाएगा वहाँ से।
Nature is both magnificent and terrifying. When it unleashes its fury, humans can only watch helplessly in the face of the destructive power of storms, landslides, and tornadoes. These disasters serve as a reminder that we need to respect and protect the environment before it's too late. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more thrilling moments of nature's power. See you in the next video.